Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how simple Java programs. So how to validate the parenthesis valid or not. It is also important interview questions. Most of the companies will ask. So yeah, it is a simple Java program. So it is a syntax. It's a input. So if you give the valid parenthesis, this is also valid parenthesis, then give the input is this kind of parameters. So return the true or false. So so what is the programs means? So here is this open press, here is started, right, here is ended, right. So in order is properly, then it is a valid. So in this case we have created right this. So is order, then the order should be like that. So if your order is in order, so then the val parenthesis is invalid. Yeah, this is a invalid. So it is open, here is open, so here is like, here is, yeah, this is valid. So see, all syntax like that only. So yeah, let us check how to implement our code. So yeah, it's already we have created implemented the some one use case code. So yeah, let me explain how to work in this. So I am run the debugging mode. So here we are using the stack. Why you are using the stack? So stack is last in first out, right? So if you, so means suppose we put it in the these angles like in stack one by one, first one, second one, that one. So then we need to check the opposite number. This is similar kind of operator. This is different. This is starting parenthesis operator. This is ending parenthesis operator, right? So whenever we, what is our logic begins? So whenever coming this like in the starting parenthesis operator, then we need to push in stack. So in this case let us so in this case, so we need to push in like that, right? So it is push 3 parameter. So it is last, stack is last in first out, means this is only we fetch the stack. So this symbol only fetch. So suppose we need to find so any other ending operator, so find, then we'll get to the value from the stack. So when we get to the this value, so if you, this is corresponding equivalent to this is ending, then we can remove it from stack. Okay, so yeah, like that. So another one, if we find the ending tag, then we'll fetch the stack in last value. So if both are equal, right, so then we need to remove. So in this case we need to remove. So if you find the same way, we need to find, here is fetch, so we need to remove. So if in this case everything we need to traverse, but the stack is empty, then if you, in this case the stack is a valid parenthesis. Let's assume this use case. Same thing, suppose we is starting operator, right, then push it into stack. Okay, sorry, here I added. So another is starting operator, so then we'll put it push stack. Okay, so if after that we stay ending, so we'll fetch the value from here. So this value, right, so you need to remove, right, check this value is equivalent to, this is correct starting operator of the this ending operator. It is not right, then need to skip it, break our logic, then it is invalid. That logic, that's the logic way we implemented in this stack. So let me go through our code only. First we check the, already I explained the, so input is so it's input, right, string. So it is first we need to convert into the character array. Why need to change the character array? Mean that then only we need to traverse the whole character one by one, so it will easily will. So it is string, then it will be, it is very difficult to character like that. So yeah, it is easily will array, easily will array to manage easily. So in this case, yeah, here, right, it is a, first we need to check this is something will provide input or not. So in case we have provided empty input, right? In this case no need to process, right? In this case we added the first, will check another one. Next we need to create the stack. This is a empty stack. So yeah, first we check. So I already explained, right? So first we need to find it is a starting character of the operator. So in this case we need to push in stack. So okay, so if I iterate one by one, so right. So if you find anything into the end character, so what I mean bits, so we have, as of now we have three kind of operator, right? Starting operator. If not coming this operator, then will be assume that it is a character of what is this is a value, right? It is a empty character, so we need to checking. So it is stack dot peak. So in this case you fetch the value from the last value. So then we'll check the equivalent value. The current value is ending parameter, then the same character will be this one. This one here is the starting, this is the ending, is the starting, right? The expected is ending. So if you then will be pop means to remove the value from the stack. The peak means only fetch, to fetch the last, to fetch the value from the stack. So if you both are similar, okay, it is equivalent to end character, static character is similar, then need to pop the remove. So similar way need to remove. So in finally that full traversal will completed, then we'll check the stack is empty. If empty means, so everything will be crashed, so equivalent the crash. So then the parenthesis is valid. So otherwise suppose one value is not matching, so suppose so let me explain. So let me run this program. Right. So yeah, let me run debugging. Right. Yeah, in this case first we added, right? So yeah, it's values. In this case the starting value that automatically push. So you check with the stack. The stack size is always increasing, right? The value, okay. In this case we check the both values same, then will be pop. Likewise we have added assembly will run, and I say true. Suppose I removed only one in parameter. In this case false. So why? Because the stack is have some value, not empty. One parenthesis is still have. That's per then only will return the false. It's a simple program is using the stack. Thank you guys. So I will update the GitHub URL in the video description. If you want, then you can use it. Thank you guys.